So here's the inside of the QT. I think this is a 2006 QT scooter. I'm gonna find out what the QT scooter, where it come from, whatever. I'll find out all about it if I can. If not, it's gonna change anyway to the TD 2006 scooter. That's Tony Davis's 2006 electric scooter. Uh, but here's the inside of it, what it looks like originally. There's the motor. Don't know what kind it is. I will find out though one day once I get into this, which is now the tank. I think that's a half-gallon tank. Uh, I think because it's got a spare. He had a spare. That's a new muffler. The old one is in the garage. The guy I bought it from put a new one on there. Uh, I don't even remember if he told me if he ever got it started because of I was so excited to get it, and for the price, I knew that it didn't matter. I'm gonna get it done anyway. I smell gas right now. I think that came from me starting. So what I'm gonna do? Charge this battery up. Make sure I got enough juice. Well, I know I got enough now since it's already hooked to the charger. Right there. Uh, check this spark first. After I check the spark, if it ain't working, then I'll chase that down. Uh, and I won't worry about the gas. I'm gonna check the spark first. So let's see what's happening.